Hey there, welcome back to the channel AF Car Reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Maruti 800DX, a car that's all about blending nostalgia with modern sensibilities. This iconic nameplate has made a comeback, and it's bringing some exciting updates to the table. Let's take a closer look at everything this car has to offer. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Maruti 800DX has a simple yet charming design. It retains the compact dimensions that made the original model so popular, but with contemporary touches. The front fascia features a sleek grille with chrome accents, flanked by sharp LED headlights. The sculpted bumper gives it a sporty vibe, while the alloy wheels and clean side profile add to its modern appeal. The rear has a neat finish with wraparound taillights and subtle badging. This car is perfect for city driving, as its small size makes it super easy to maneuver through tight spaces. Now stepping inside, the interior is surprisingly well appointed for a car in this segment. The dashboard design is clean and functional, featuring a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The materials are a mix of hard plastics and soft touch elements, offering durability and a hint of comfort. The seats are comfortable and supportive, with enough room for 4 adults. You'll also find ample storage spaces for small items, and the boot space is decent for a car of this size. While it's not luxury level, the Maruti 800DX ensures a pleasant experience for daily commuters. Under the hood, the 2025 Maruti 800DX is powered by a peppy 796 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder engine, delivering 48 horsepower and 69 Newton-meters of torque. It's paired with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts who love the engagement of a stick shift. The car's lightweight body ensures nimble handling and decent acceleration. Its fuel efficiency is a major highlight, offering approximately 22 kilometers per liter, making it ideal for budget-conscious buyers. As for pricing, the Maruti 800DX is expected to start at 3.5 Indian rupees lakh, making it one of the most affordable cars in its class. It offers incredible value for first-time car buyers or those looking for a reliable and economical city car. That's our review of the 2025 Maruti 800DX. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews. See you next time.